Good day, sir. I am Alan M. Limer Jr. May I ask some question for the interview?
Yes, of course. Feel free to answer your question.
By the way, how are you, sir?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking.
Okay, let's start. A telegram is a written message transmitted through a telegraph, typically in the form of brief, concise text. It was widely used for long-distance communication before the advent of modern telecommunications. The primary use of telegrams was for long-distance communication before the widespread adoption of telephones and the internet. Okay, sir, give me the advantage and disadvantage of the telegrams.
Advantage. One advantage of telegrams was their speed of transmission, allowing for relatively quick communication over long distance compared to traditional mail services. Additionally, telegrams were known for their reliability and confidentiality, making them suitable for conveying urgent or sensitive information. Disadvantage. One disadvantage of telegrams was their cost, as they typically charge based on the number of words or characters transmitted. This made them more expensive than traditional mail services for longer messages.
Okay, done. Thank you, sir, for your cooperation and thank you for your time.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good day, Miss Joy. I am Maria Leonora Porlaje and my partner, Reynald Enriquez. We are here to report the description, primary use, advantage, and disadvantage of hand and typewritten letters. Here is a description of handwritten letters. Handwritten letter refers to the act of writing text by hand, typically using a pen or pencil rather than typing on a keyboard, have a unique and personal quality that is often lost in digital communication. Handwritten letters have a timeless appeal and often value for their sentimental and nostalgic qualities. Especially in an increasingly digital world, they can be used to convey personal message, express gratitude, or maintain long-distance relationship. Primary uses of handwritten letters: personal communication, formal correspondence, artistic expression, historic and cultural significance, therapeutic and mindful practice. The personal and emotional connection that handwritten letters can foster, as well as their tangible and unique qualities, make them a preferred mode of communication in various personal, professional, and creative contexts, even in the digital age. So, Mr. Reynald Enriquez, what is the advantage and disadvantage of handwritten letters?
Here is the advantage and disadvantage of handwritten letters. Advantage: personal and emotional connection. Uniqueness of individual handwriting. Tangible and lasting quality. Expressive communication of sentiments. Nostalgic and sentimental appeal. Opportunity for customization. Disadvantage: potential issues with legibility and readability, less efficiency and speed compared to typing. Challenges with reproducibility and distribution. Accessibility. Limitation for those with physical disabilities. Susceptibility to damage, loss, or deterioration. Perceived as less formal or professional in some contexts. In essence, the main advantage of handwritten letters are the personal, emotional, and sentimental qualities it conveys, while the disadvantages are primarily practical, relating to the factor like legibility, efficiency, and reproductivity. The choice between handwritten and other forms of communication often depend on the specific context and the desired level of personal touch and emotional expression.
So here's our second topic, typewritten letters. Typewritten letters refers to the letters that are composed and printed using typewriter or a computer with a printer, rather than being handwritten. Typewritten letters were more common in the past before the widespread adoption of personal computers and digital communication. Today, they are still used in some professional and formal settings but have largely been replaced by email and other electronic forms of correspondence. The primary use of typewritten letters: formal and professional communication, legal and administrative purposes, academic and educational contexts, mass communication and distribution, preservation. The uniformity, legibility, and efficiency of typewritten letters make them well suited for formal, professional, and institutional contexts where clear, standardized, and easily reproducible communication is required. They are often prepared open handwritten letters in these settings. Also, what is the advantage and disadvantage of typewritten letters for you?
And here is the disadvantage of typewritten communication. Advantage: legibility and readability, efficiency and speed of composition, reproducibility in ease of distribution, consistency in appearance and formatting, accessibility for those with physical limitation, perceived formality and professionalism. Disadvantage: lack of personal touch and emotional expression, absence of unique handwriting qualities, reduced tactile and sensory experience, diminished nostalgia and sentimental appeal, limited opportunities for customization and creativity, technological dependence, and potential disruption. In essence, the main advantage of typewritten letters are its practical benefits such as legibility, efficiency, and reproducibility, which make it well suited for personal and formal context. However, a lack of personal, emotional, and sentimental qualities associated with handwritten letters. The choice between typewritten and typewritten communication often depends on the specific needs and preferences of the situation. balancing the practical consideration with the desire of personal touch and emotional.
Good day, Miss Joy. My forms of communication is text messages. This is a description of text messages. Text messages, often simplified called text, are shortened written message exchange between mobile phones or other device capable of SMS or MMS. They serve as a quick and convenient way to communicate conveying information or ideas or emotions through written text, emojis, image, videos, or audio recording. This is a primary use of text messages. The primary use of text messages is for communication between individuals or groups in a convenient, quick, and often informal manner. It's commonly used for personal conversation, coordinating plans, sharing updates, sending reminders, and staying in touch with friends, family, and colleagues. Good day, Maria Lenora. What is advantage and disadvantage of text messages?
Advantage of text messages. One of the main advantage of text messages is their immediacy and convenience. They allow for quick communication in real time, enabling people to exchange information rapidly without the need for a phone call or face-to-face interaction. The disadvantage of text messages. One of the disadvantage of text messages is the potential for misinterpretation due to the lack of tone, body language, and text and context that accompanies face-to-face or phone conversation. This can lead to misunderstandings or conflicts, especially when discussing sensitive topics.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Mike Agustin Bon, and you are?
I'm Julie Reynosa.
By the way, how's your day, ma'am?
I'm okay.
Is it okay, ma'am, that I will interview you?
Yes.
For you, ma'am, what is the advantage and disadvantage Facebook post?
Facebook posts offering a powerful platform to reach a wide audience, engage with followers, gathering feedback, promote products, services, analyze performance network, and build strong brand identity. Disadvantage of Facebook posts, including potential for privacy branches, misinformation, spread cyberbullying, and addiction to social media.
Good day everyone, I'm Cristiano L. Rodriguez and you are?
Risha May L. Rodriguez.
And now, I have a question for you. What is disadvantage and advantage of tweets in form of communication?
The advantage of tweets are accessible across different devices and platforms, allowing for communication anytime, anywhere. And the disadvantage of tweets are the platform can be a breeding ground for trolls, cyberbullying, and harassment, creating a negative environment for communication.
Okay, thank you.
How about the Instagram post? What is advantage and disadvantage for you?
Instagram posts allow users visually showcase products and experience to a wide audience through engaging image and videos. One disadvantage of Instagram posts is that they can contribute to feelings to intimacy and compassion among users due to the emphasis on curated and figurated content.
Thank you, ma'am.